Hi, this is our market crash update for December 8th, and I briefly want to go over some charts. You may have seen a few of these before, but we are at a critical juncture. It is important to look at them again. First of all, this chart here, the S&P 500, I call it a long-term chart. It goes back 2 years. It shows the long-term bull channel, which was broken back in October. That was the end of the bull market. That lasted probably as far back as 2009. I think that market is over. I think this bear market is going to retrace almost all of that 10-year bull market. If I'm right, fortunes will be made on the short side. I have here our first leg down, wave 1 of 5. We have an ABC correction for wave 2. And what looks like the beginning of wave 3 of 3 down, and it should be a spectacular drop. Zooming in a little closer, this is the same chart, the same numbers, the same wave count, just a little bit closer view of it all. We have a beautifully formed ABC for wave 2, and this red arrow is showing us the direction we are going next. Yesterday, at the close, I updated those charts. I took off the numbers and the letters, and I put a horizontal line. This line represents the lows made for wave 2. On the S&P, it's around 2630, 2633. It has been tested 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This test here took place on Thursday and Friday of this past week. A little closer look at that. We had a test in October, a test in November, and so far 2 tests back to back in December. Do you think this line is important? Once again, I have that 2633 S&P line. It was tested on Thursday. We had a 700-point rally late Thursday, and prices came right back on Friday. Tested the line again. Look. Prices could not break through that line once more. What happens if they do? What happens if prices break through this line? Let's go back to this red line right here. This is what happens. Wave 3 of 3 down. Now I want to look at our trading at Blue Line Trading. This is what these videos are here for. They're to interest you in how to make money in this bear market. We have 30 sell signals since the beginning of October. This is how well they have done. Again, this is not where these prices are today. These numbers represent the highest return the signals have generated before expiration. Look at this one on the bottom, Twilio. Love the company, and it has been strong, and we missed it. The best our puts have done from this sell signal on November 5th have been up 22.58%. We don't take profits less than 50%, and I'm recommending not to take profits less than 100%. So we are sitting here at a loss, but these options still have 2 weeks to go in them, so the game ain't over till it's over. Here are our index sells on November 12th, the SPY and the QQQ. As you can see, they have been up significantly. Some subscribers have taken profits, some have not. I leave that up to you. I have some general guidelines in the service for when to take profits, when to use stops, and when to let them roll. I also wanted to point out Netflix. Netflix is generating some excellent signals. It generated a lot of very nice buy signals on the way up, and it is starting to roll out the sell signals on the way down. This sell was on November 12th. We bought the December 290 puts. We paid $13.50 for them. That's $1,350 per put. They have gotten as high as $4,336 per put for a gain of 221%. These options still have 2 weeks to go on them. I think we're going to do better. I've, as always, blacked out all of our symbols except the ones I've chosen to show you. We have a pretty good service. If this bear market unfolds as I believe it will, our subscribers will make a fortune. I have a couple links in the description if you want to hear more about our service, read more about it, see what we're doing and how we're doing it. This is Allan, Blue Line Trading. See you next time.